Missing key Walmart updates? Here's how to fix your Seller Center notifications fast. I'll be going over it in today's video. So first, you're just going to log into Walmart, and then you're going to go to this little cog gear icon, which is your settings. Once you're here, it's going to look something like this. And then what you want to do is just click on notification settings right here. So once you click on notification settings, it's going to take you right here. And then the easiest way is just to add additional recipients. So you can just say for any success hub, for the growth opportunities, again, there's so many different things you can add, like items added, right? Sellers unpublished, things like that. So you can click on that. Every frequency, every 5 minutes. I would probably do daily. And then you can add your recipient email right here to most of these items, right? Some of them are grayed out where you can't add them. And if that is an issue, then you can go to the next step, which is to go to your Manage Contacts panel. So you're just going to scroll down a little bit, and there's a Manage Contacts panel right here on the left side. Once you're here, you're just going to go to add somebody to your address book, and then you're just going to assign a contact. So any customer service notifications, errors, item content, things like that, you can just assign a contact, and then you click contact and mark it, and then you can assign a contact there. So that's like the double duo way. So that way you're adding an extra recipient. So that way they're getting notifications, or that's pretty much one way to do it. The second best way is to also go to Manage Contacts and add that second recipient's email and information on there. So that way they're getting all of those notifications. And if it's just a second email that you create, this is a great way to do it. But that's it for today's video. What's the biggest challenge you face in managing your Walmart Seller Center notifications? Drop it in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is what will help you manage your inventory, get your pro selling badge, fix any issues, help you contact Walmart, call them for you, and of course, increase your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business doing your daily operations, when you could have us help you fix issues, save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.